Hello everyone, I'm a PC instructor and software developer. In this video I want to show you how to clear your local disk C. Here you can see how many free space I have now on my disk C, and here it is after the cleaning. With this method you can free up 50 or even 100 gigabytes on your computer. Watch this video and repeat after this. And let's begin. The first and the simplest thing I want to show you is properties of your local disk. Click here, then Details. This is default page of storage uses, and it's very convenient. Windows shows us how many resources we use on different things. For example, for installed apps, system, documents, other temporary files. And you can decide what to delete to free up your space. But if you don't want to delete or remove your installed apps, and you can't delete anything in this system folder, just you can manage your system restore points and delete all restore points. It's about 6 gigabytes. And one thing you can delete here is installed apps. You can delete apps you don't use. And let's back to this page. And temporary files. This is the page you can really remove and free up your space. And it's really 1.6 gigabytes. It's not much. Don't remove your downloads folder. There can be many important files. So using default utility for cleaning disk C, you can remove about 2 gigabytes, 5 gigabytes, and this is not very good. In previous versions of Windows, the default master of cleaning could delete much more temporary files. That's why I developed my own program that can clean your local disk C and other places on your computer. It calls PCNP Assistant. It has many functions, but in this video we speak about cleaner. Let's click here, Disk Cleaner, check all checkboxes, and let's analyze disk. This program is simple, but is very powerful, and it's free. Only this part, deep cleaning of the disk, available in the Pro version. Other points here are free. The program has finished analyzing, and you can see that I can free up 48 gigabytes on drive C. It's much more than default utility in the Windows. For example, we can clear 400 megabytes of logs and traces on the C drive. It's in a Pro version. You can click here and watch where it's stored. Then Windows temporary files. In these months I have already cleared my disk C, so here I have not many garbage. Then recycle bin, browser cache and apps cache. This is a special algorithm in my program. It finds cache that was created by some apps and programs on your computer, and some of them can collect many gigabytes. For example, this game was updated, and cache of different modules you can see almost 38 gigabytes. If you don't want to delete some of this and you think this cache is very important, you can just skip this. Or you can find this path on your disk. This is a folder application data, colossal order, city skylines and cache. You can find this and copy it to your other disk drive. Also you can clean your Windows registry cache, Windows update files. This folder also can be very big, and you can also disable your hibernation mode here. After you checked what you want to clear, push this button, clean, check it, and all this will be deleted. To clean WinSXS folder, this program uses cmd and default commands to operate this folder. Let's check our disk after the cleaning. Refresh, and here we have 116 gigabytes free on my disk C. You can compare before and after, before and after. In my program you can find also utility for big files founding and founding of duplicates of files on your disk. Cool features to free up more space. In a Pro version you can turn on control 24/7, and automatic background monitoring of cache will find and notify you about the cache on your computer. You can set here how many megabytes, the minimum for notification, and what frequency of cache check. Try this program, and this feature you can use only in the Pro version. To find more about my program, go to official website pcnp.com and you can read about my program and purchase Pro version here. With PayPal you can pay from all over the world. Try this to clear your disk C to free up space on your computer, and write a comment how many space you could free up on your disk. Thank you for watching, subscribe our channel and watch other videos.